AWS and CDK,
correct.
just
Yeah,
like
just
so.
like so.
Here we go.
And enter. Okay, so you remember how you tried to learn, or sorry, remember how you did learn types, JavaScript? JavaScript.
Well, I'm still
Yeah.
working on
You remember how you know JavaScript's super awesome? Just say yes.
it.
That's
Yes,
perfect.
that is a true
That's a true
statement.
statement. Yes. So, but we are going to use CDK because of reasons, and we're like, okay, fair enough. They're paying us. We're not paying them. We're going to use the tools that they want. It's a very long way to get around to saying that the JavaScript stuff that you learned is going to become useful again if you use the CDK stuff. Because if you understand JavaScript and TypeScript, you can use those skills to build infrastructure as code. So if you
Mm-hmm.
spent a little time making little JavaScript programs, pretty sure you got past JavaScript Hello World. Pretty sure.
Oh yeah, I went through Khan
Yeah.
Academy, and I did a lot of this stuff. I did most of their projects. I actually completed their
Yeah,
course.
yeah, nice. I never did that. I started it and went. I know all this stuff already. Uh, yeah,
Yeah,
but it was still interesting. Good tool that I point other people to, which I think is why you went to it actually.
yeah. You told me about it. I never heard
Yeah.
of it,
Oh yeah. For
but
everybody else,
you told me about.
the Khan Academy is a great resource for learning pretty much anything.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Another sponsor.
And it's free. It's
Yeah,
free.
no,
That's the
there's
best
no
part.
sponsorship opportunity, but yeah, free K to university prep. So
Yeah, but great.
yes,
Oh,
yeah,
salmon. Is it?
something like that. I'm butchering his name. Anyway,
I just streamed with him last week, and I can't remember his name. That's
yeah.
ridiculous.
Anyway, the guy from Khan Academy, KHAN, not CON.
Car.
This one,
Stacks on stacks on stacks.
stacks on stacks. Oh yes. So you haven't got here yet, but you have to know that AWS uses something called CloudFormation. And
Yep.
in CloudFormation, they use something called stacks. So all of your resources are put in a CloudFormation template, and each one of those CloudFormation templates is called a stack. That's the code that you use to build your resources, right?
Okay.
And what this is a little bit of a diagram of some AWS infrastructure, which you're getting a little bit of a preview to it. Actually, don't click on anything. We'll just go through this exact thing because this is ideal. You know how I was saying that they have 200 services plus, and they're working on services. This
Yep.
is the list of their services.
Producing language support.
English, English.
I am going to choose to speak in English today.
Yes.
Oh,
Yeah.
hi.
Okay.
That's a
So
nice
actually,
robot.
this is this. So this shouldn't take that long, but I'm going to do a little bit of an intro to it because this is what I thought the cloud should be. Right. This is what I thought the cloud was going to be like. You just click some buttons, you get some stuff, blah 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 blah. We're actually going to get started. Click
Okay.
on get started.
We
Yeah.
doing that?
Click on get started.
Let's get started.
Hello Node application thing.
Bitnami, congratulations. You are now running Bitnami Node.js.
So what you just
That's 1.6.
so what you just did there is
Mm-hmm.
you created an EC2 instance and added this default application. So this is the Hello World application for
Yep.
Lightsail.
Nice. Okay.
Okay, so what did you think of that?
No, it's good. I learned a lot, honestly.
Yeah, that's a lot.
Under that,
That's a big brain dump. That's like
I've heard of the cloud
yeah,
too.
I've heard of the cloud too. I know how the cloud works. It's,
Yeah.
and what I tell everybody is like I've gone down the DevOps role, right? There's another
Mm-hmm.
one called big data. There's another one called machine learning, and there's another one called IoT. And these are all just verticals that are careers. It's not one part of one thing, and the cloud. It's like there's still parts of. I was actually talking to one of my colleagues today. He's doing a big data thing, something called a data lake, and I have very little information on it, but I want to walk
Yeah.
me through the rest of it. So
Mm.
anyway, what I tell people is to pick your lane. When you get into
Yeah.
AWS stuff, pick your lane. Like you're probably going to be more interested in the gaming development side than anything else. Uh,
Well,
but
yeah.
let's pick that lane.
The
Go into that lane and don't necessarily stay there, but spend most of your time in the lane. Don't try to be in all the lanes.
well, doing what you enjoy is will make you learn better
Yeah,
and
yeah.
anything. The only successful program I ever really made was Space Taxi.
Space taxi, that's fun.
I reverse engineered it and I
Oh,
made
did you?
it.
Oh, cool. I never knew that.
Yeah, long time ago.
JavaScript or
No, no. I'm talking in the
in the
80s
Commodore?
on the Commodore 64. I
Oh,
programmed it.
wow. You never showed me that. Or you showed it to me and I didn't care.
Yeah, it could have been. I don't. I think you're going to university when you did
Oh,
that.